Okay, let's look at this question. WASSCE November 2022, question 12b. The probability that Afi and Na will pass an aptitude test are 60% and 80% respectively. Find correct one decimal place the probability that only one of them will pass the test, none of them will pass. So this question, the probability has been given in terms of what? Percentage. So we are going to write them as fractions and then we solve. All right. So because of the nature of the question, only one of them will pass, none of them will pass. It means that we are given probability of them passing. We have to know probability of them not passing the aptitude test so that we can solve all the two questions here. So we have Afi and Na, so we can say let Afi be A and Na be N. Okay, if that is the case, probability of Afi passing is what? 60. Afi and Na, okay, Afi is 60. So 60%, which is the same as 60 on what? 100. And 60 on 100 will give us what? That will be 6 on 10. That will be 3 on 5. So 3 over 5. Okay. It implies the probability of Afi not passing will be 1 minus 3 on 5, which will give us 2 on 5. All right. So 1 minus 3 over 5 is 2 on 5. Okay. Then let's also look at Na. So probability of Na passing, which is 80%, will be 80 on 100. Okay. And 8 on 10 will give us 4 on 5. Okay. 2 goes into 8, 4, 2 goes into 10, which is 5. Okay, so it implies that probability of Na not passing the aptitude test will be 1 minus 4 on 5, which will give us what? 1 on 5. Okay, so since we are putting all our probabilities, then we can now work with the question. So only one of them will pass. Okay, probability of only one of them passing. So if only one of them will pass, then what does it mean? It means that one Afi will pass and Na will fail, or Na will pass and Afi will fail. So only one of them will pass. So these are two events. Okay, so we are going to multiply two fractions at a time. But if only one of them will pass, then it can happen that Afi will pass, and then if Afi passes, Na will fail, or probability of Afi not passing and Na passing. That means only one will pass at a time, either Afi here or Na here. All right. So what's the probability of Afi passing? That is 3 on 5 time, and Na not passing 1 on 5, or Afi not passing, that is 2 over 5, and Na passing, that is 4 on 5. Okay, 3 over 5 times 1 on 5, that is 3 on 25, plus 2 on 5 times 4 on 5, that is 8 on 25. Okay, so they have a common denominator, 25. So 3 plus 8 will give me 11. Okay, so that means the probability of one of them passing is 11 out of 25. 11 out of 25. And I think the question asks us to correct to one decimal place. All right. So 11 on 25 to one decimal place. Okay, 11 on 25 is 0.44. So to one decimal place will be 0.4. 1 decimal place, just 1, so 0.4. And then let's do the last one. Probability of none of them passing. Probability of none of them passing. Okay. If none of them is passing, then what will happen? It means the probability of Afi not passing, and now also not what? Now also not pass. Okay, so Afi will not pass, now also not pass. That is none of them passing. And what's the probability of Afi not passing? That is 2 on 5. And now also not passing. That is 1 on 5. So 2 on 5 over 1 on 5 give me 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 25. So that will be 2 on 25. So 2 on 25 will give me what? In decimal, that is 0.08, and to 1 decimal place 0.1. Alright. So simple, and when you are given in percentage, this is how you can do the question. Okay. I know I will see you again as we solve more questions. Bye bye.